Good evening, Philippines. This is Trendline PH, where political controversies multiply faster than press conferences denying them. Breaking news. Senator Marcoleta is once again under scrutiny after new developments tied to the controversial 75 million pesos he allegedly received from private donors. It can be remembered that Marcoleta previously faced complaints regarding undeclared donations from 3 individuals, which were not reflected in his statement of contributions and expenses. At the time, the Commission on Elections cleared him after determining that changes in election law meant the matter no longer constituted an election offense. Marcoleta also argued that the money had been received before the official campaign period began. But now, the controversy appears to be entering much deeper legal waters. According to an order issued by the Ombudsman, Marcoleta has been directed to explain allegations raised by the Field Investigation Bureau. Investigators claim that while serving as congressman, he allegedly received 75 million pesos in January 2025, an amount reportedly acknowledged during the Comelec investigation itself. Authorities also noted that the money allegedly appeared in donor tax documents submitted to Comelec, but was reportedly not declared in Marcoleta's 2025 Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth. And apparently, investigators are now asking the question many Filipinos also asked after hearing 75 million pesos gift for the first time. At what point does a donation stop sounding generous and start sounding like the plot of a corruption documentary? According to Ombudsman investigators, even if the transaction did not violate election laws, it may still expose those involved to criminal and administrative liability. Authorities are reportedly studying whether the case may fall under Republic Act 7080 or the anti-plunder law. Investigators allegedly argue that an amount as large as 75 million pesos cannot simply be treated as an ordinary personal gift, and may instead suggest an attempt to gain influence or favorable treatment from a public official, even if no direct favor was openly requested in return. 3 individuals were identified as alleged sources of the funds: former Congressman Mike Defensor for 30 million, Joseph Espiritu for 25 million, and Aristotle Baluyot for 20 million. Investigators say the donors themselves could also face possible liability as alleged co-conspirators if authorities determine the true nature of the transactions was concealed. Apart from possible plunder allegations, the Ombudsman is also reportedly recommending cases for violations of Presidential Decree No. 46, which prohibits government officials from receiving gifts while in office. Marcoleta may also potentially face allegations related to indirect bribery. As of this time, Marcoleta and the other individuals named in the case have yet to issue detailed public responses. Meanwhile, former Congressman Mike Defensor questioned the basis of the allegations, arguing that plunder traditionally involves government funds or government transactions. According to him, neither was involved in this situation.
Doon naman sa amin, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung basis kasi how can it be plunder when there was no government funds involved.
Okay.
Walang government transaction on anything.
Which now leaves the public watching one very uncomfortable legal debate unfold. Can 75 million pesos still be called a gift? Or is that already the kind of generosity that comes with footnotes, investigators, and televised Senate hearings? And that's the latest political controversy making headlines tonight. Stay tuned for more breaking news, sharp commentary, and stories hotter than lawyers reviewing donor tax returns at midnight. This is Trendline PH. Like, follow, and stay informed.